Hi fans, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, you are welcome. If you're not a subscriber, you are also welcome. Thanks for always stopping by. In today's video, we'll be making a natural sweetener for your pap, your tea, whatever you need a sweetener for. Today we'll be making a healthy sweetener for your babies and also for adults. If you are avoiding artificial sweetener, join me through to this video. Let's make this date syrup together. First thing I did was to detach my seed from the fruit, and after that I'll be going ahead to wash and soak. After the soaking method, I soaked and I left inside my freezer. When I'm back, I have to start boiling. I boiled with the water I soaked with. I added a little bit of water more. I brought it to a boil, allowed it. After boiling, as you can see now, it's boiling. Then after now, I'll be bringing it down, allow it cool down a little bit before I continue. Essence of this boiling and soaking is to make the fruit soft, because we are using a dry date, so we need to make it soft in order to be able to blend well in our blender. As you can see, it's almost cooled down. I'll be going ahead to blend into a smooth form. I will be allowing this to blend into a very fine texture, very smooth and fine. The next thing I'll be doing after blending is to sieve out the juice. As you can see, I'm using a tight sieve, and I'm sure nothing apart from water can pass through this sieve. I sieved well. I make sure I juice it, and I press out the whole juice out from it. As you can see, look at the way it looks. I continue this process until I'm done with all my blended mix. As you can see, these are the shaft, but this shaft I will not be discarding it. Watch my next video to see what I'll be using that shaft for. At this point, you can see the way it looks before now. I will have started my boiling process. I kept on boiling it. You can see the more you boil, the more it changes. Do you see? From the first time we set it on the stove top till now, it keeps changing the look, and I keep boiling it till it looks a little bit thicky. As you can see, it is changing more, but I'm not going to bring it down now. I kept on boiling it until I'm sure it's a little bit thick, that when it cools down it will almost be like honey when you are done. So I kept boiling and boiling. Do you see? It's coming together the more, and I'm almost through. I'll just allow it boil a little bit now and I'm done. I'll be setting it aside, allow it to cool down a little bit. And this taste syrup, you can use it for your babies, for your babies pap, your babies relax, your babies food. Stop adding sugar. You can use this for your babies food. As you can see, do you see the way it thickens up? And we are done. You can store this in your fridge. Make sure you use an airtight container and store. This is our final look. Thanks for always watching our video, and make sure you click on that subscription button. Turn on your notification bell to know when next we are going to upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.